All right, my friends, welcome back. I just want to still tell you the fact in this video, right? While I think that e-estate is still the best platform, you cannot beat e-estate, right? And I will give you few reasons why, and you will probably agree with me in one or two of my reasons that I want to share with you today. So I have used this slide before in one of my videos, but one of the reasons why I like e-estate is consistency. They are very, very consistent since I joined e-estate. They have good community that you can come in, chat with them, interact with them, seek advice or seek clarification, and then you will get it. The platform is trustworthy. Okay, it is 100% trusted on the tokenized real estate, and they have these seamless operations since I have joined them. Okay, they have never glitched. So you see how we join other platforms, and then sometimes you want to make a withdrawal, your withdrawal is not working. So yeah, you know how if you want to do a deposit into another platform, and probably there is a charge to any deposit you want to make, and if you forget to add that charges from your exchange or from your decentralized wallet, and then the money will not get to your dashboard. In e-estate, you don't see anything like that, right? And the profit distribution on a daily basis is just seamless. It's awesome. Withdrawal is just out of this world. Speed of light, you will get your money, right? So these are the reasons why I say e-estate is the best in any other tokenized platform out there that you are going to be looking at, right? So that being said, let me share. So as I speak with you, they are offering these bonuses for this summer, whereby you purchase a piece of the development property and then you get the land plot for free, which is the bonus you are being offered. And then there is the development property where you purchase a piece of it and then you will get the sunset villa, for bonus. And then if you purchase a piece of the desert villa, you will get the lake house for free. So everything on my left hand side, you purchase a fraction of it, you get the corresponding bonus on my right hand side. Okay, so this is what they are offering for this summer, and it's going to end July 12th. So please hurry up and grab a piece of this. Remember, we are buying a fraction of the property. We are not buying the whole of the property. So don't get scared. Okay. So don't get scared of coming in to purchase a fraction of that property. So the passive income lifestyle YouTube channel share different passive income opportunities for everybody. Okay. And e-estate, as I speak with you, stands out because of what is going on right now. The withdrawals that we initiate in the back office is treated with speed of light. By the time you finish clicking the button, you will receive your profit. And the good thing about e-estate again is you can start from as low as $10. So again, this is one of the best. Tell me which platform that is in this category of tokenized real estate that will offer you to purchase a fraction of a property for $10. Just if you have one, drop your comment in this video, right? Drop your comment in the comment section if you have one of the platform that is dealing with tokenization, right? That is offering for its members to start from as little as $10. So anybody literally can start with this platform. All right. Now, these are the screenshots of the withdrawals I have made already. Okay. There are many more withdrawals I have made, but these are just a few that I have decided to share with you guys just to prove that e-estate is one of the best platforms out there. There are more withdrawal evidence from other team members and from our community, okay, worldwide, they can, anybody that has been in e-estate, just approach the person, tell the person to show you proof of withdrawal. You will see the withdrawal proof as well, right? And everything can be tracked via the blockchain. So if you know the blockchain technology, then you should know that e-estate has, all the transactions being done in the blockchain. Okay, and now on a daily basis, we calculate percentage of profit that is generated across the whole real estate that we have in e-estate. Right now, you will see the list of all the properties that we have in e-estate, and if you add the corresponding percentages, you will notice that it's going to come up to 7.84%. Now, don't get me wrong, right? If you don't purchase a fraction of each of these properties, okay, from Miami apartment to development, so you can see the development there. If you don't have a fraction of each of these from there to the bottom, you are not going to make this 7.84%. But if you have, say, for example, the apartment in Miami, apartment, the lake house, the desert, the villa, you can calculate and add all the percentages for your own fractional real estate that you have purchased, and that will now give you the total for that day. Right? And you can access this information in your back office anyway, right? So if you go to your back office, you will see where it says total profit across all properties, then you will be able to see that as well. Okay, so again, I call e-estate sleep money. This is one of the reasons why I said e-estate is the best out there. Okay, the best platform out there if you wish to be receiving passive income. This is what I call sleep money, because you sleep, you wake up, you get your payment. You sleep, you wake up, you get your payment. You sleep, you wake up, you get your payment. Mondays to Fridays. This is awesome, right? This video is being recorded on Monday, okay, and already 5 payments has been made. This is awesome. Okay, so it's one of the best, and I continue to recommend e-estate to everybody. Now remember, another thing that makes e-estate awesome, okay, is we receive our profit Mondays to Friday. Probably I must have mentioned this in this video. It's only Mondays to Friday, 5 days a week you receive your profit. Saturdays and Sundays there is no payment at all on Saturdays and Sundays. And as I said to you guys before, don't forget to participate in this bonus that they are offering right now. Is the summer property bonus, and you are going to be blessed. Those are the reasons why I still believe that e-estate is the best. So if you have been in the online space and you come across this video and you are looking for a reliable and consistent platform, then I will recommend you look at the link below this video description, click on it and register and complete your KYC and deposit and purchase your fractional real estate, so that you will begin to earn between 0.3% to 1% on a daily basis, as you can see from my screen there. So guys, thank you very much for staying on till this time in this video, and God bless you as you go about your daily business. Now remember, once more, don't fail to click on the link below this video description, and don't just register, make sure you follow it through up to when you purchase your property. As I said, I am happy to guide you, to support you through my WhatsApp, Telegram, or even my Facebook Messenger. If you want to contact me on my Facebook Messenger, look at my YouTube profile page. You will see my Facebook link. Click on it. You will be able to come in and chat with me. So thank you and God bless. I will see you in my next e-estate video. Thank you.